Hello, good morning to all my students learning from home today. I pray that you have a great day. We miss you and we can't wait to have you back. Let's jump into today's to-do list. Hopefully you found your absent student instructions. We're going to take a look at that. You're watching the video, and then it's going to ask you to read page 78 and 79. If you look in your textbook on those two pages, we're starting with just talking about the different physical features of North America. Kind of how it's laid out, the plains, the Great Lakes, the climate, some of those types of terms. There's a couple questions about a map that you have to answer too. So look at the maps on page 78 and 79 carefully to find out some great information there. Okay, as I said, as you read page 78 and 79 and you learn all about the physical geography, I'm going to have you answer these 10 questions as you go. Okay, and they're simple questions, but if you could answer them in complete sentences, just kind of read until you find the answer and stop and type that answer in and continue reading until you find the next answer. It would be great if you could highlight or bold your answers so that they stick out from the question a little bit. Okay, so read page 78 and 79 about the physical geography of North America, answering these questions. Then we're creating a running chart, okay, a vocab chart. So it says, in classroom, find the chapter 3 vocab chart post and add the 3 vocab words from lesson 1. If you see on page 79, contiguous, temperate, and glaciers are highlighted. Those are the 3 vocab word. Okay, so you're going to go to that chart. So let's go back to classroom and look for that post. Here we go, chapter 3, section 1 vocab chart. Go ahead and open that up. And you just find this simple chart. You're going to write the vocab word term in here. So contiguous will be our first term. Oops. Then you're going to put the definition in this box. And in this box, you're going to find an image, okay, from the web. And the way that you do that is you go to Insert, Image, and go down to Search the Web. And over here, it will give you a search box. So I'm just going to put in contiguous United States or USA, and it will give you a map of the contiguous United States, just the ones that are blocked together. So you would insert that in that box, in that image box right there. All right, so all you have to do is the term, the definition, and the image. Don't worry about the photo. We're doing that in groups today. You can skip that part. Okay, let's go back to our to-do list and see what we have to do next. We have lesson 1 done, and actually for lesson 2 you're going to do the exact same thing. You'll read page 80 and 81. This is about the Great Plains, so one of the physical features of North America. And as you read, do the same thing. Answer the questions as you go. And it gives you the same instructions to answer them in complete sentences. Highlight or bold your answer, so go ahead and answer these. And then in classroom, find the chapter 3 vocab chart again, and then add export, drought, and commercial agriculture. Fill in just the word, the definition, and the image. You may leave the last column blank. All right. You do not need to submit the vocab chart because we're going to continue to work on that throughout the whole unit. But the questions, you should submit those. Okay. And that's all that I have for you today. Anytime you're at home and you have questions, please email me and I will get back to you as soon as you can. I'd love to help you out. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a great day, Chargers. I'm so proud of you.